Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by measuring ingredients precisely. Use a kitchen scale. Combine protein, carbohydrate, and binder in a clean tub. Stir thoroughly until mixed. Once blended, add vitamins and minerals at recommended small doses to balance nutrition. If you're using oil for energy, add 2–3% now and mix. This improves palatability. Make sure to crumble any lumps and check texture. Feed should be cohesive but not greasy. This first step sets nutrient balance and ensures pellets will form properly. Now you convert the mix into pellets. You must grind to a fine, uniform meal. This helps binders work better. Once ground, press through a small pelletizer or shape by hand into 2 6mm pellets depending on fish size. After forming, spread in a single layer and dry at low heat. Sun drying under cover or a 40–50 degrees oven works. Once done, cool and sort. Smaller pellets go to fry, larger to adults. Make sure to test sink rate and adjust size if necessary. Finish by storing pellets properly. Pack in airtight containers with a desiccant to maintain 10–12% moisture and prevent mold. You will feed 2 to 3 times daily, match pellet size to fish age and watch feeding response. Reduce ration if uneaten. Rotate inventory so older batches are used first. If pellets break apart or disintegrate, increase binder by 0.5 to 1% and ensure correct drying. If mold appears, discard batch and sterilize equipment immediately to protect stock.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.